Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Gigi Love. It is true that most relationships have their ups and downs, but more than frequent ups and downs is indicative of trouble brewing and requires your attention to reevaluate and fix the situation before you lose your relationship. While every relationship is unique, there are some clear signs that indicate it might be time to reevaluate. And those signs are as follows. 1. Lack of trust. Trust is the foundation of healthy relationship. When trust is eroded, it becomes challenging to maintain a strong bond with your partner. Lying, deceit, or infidelity can lead to ongoing suspicion and insecurity. 2. Frequent arguments. Occasional disagreements are normal, but if arguments become the primary way of communicating, it can be exhausting and emotionally draining. For instance, if every little disagreement escalates into a full-blown fight, it is indicative of deeper compatibility issues. 3. Emotional or physical abuse. Any form of abuse, whether physical, emotional, verbal, is unacceptable. Abuse include insulting, threatening, or physically harming your partner. Loss of intimacy. Number 4. Intimacy is a crucial aspect of a romantic relationship and maintaining a strong bond. If you feel disconnected from your partner emotionally or physically, it may be a sign of lack of compatibility or unresolved issues. 5. Growing apart. People change and evolve over time, which can sometimes lead to growing apart from your partner. Significant life events, personal growth, or different life goals may create distance between you and your partner. It may be helpful to have an open and honest conversation as to where both of you stand. Number 6, lack of support. In a healthy relationship, partners support and uplift each other. Your partner should be your biggest cheerleader. If your partner consistently undermines your dreams, ignores your needs, or fails to provide emotional support, it may be time to reevaluate that relationship. Number 7, different values and priorities. Relationships thrive when you are working together as a shared vision. Vastly different in core values, goals, and priorities can cause significant conflicts and frustration. If one partner values family above all, while the other prioritizes career success, it can create tension and frustration, and of course dissatisfaction. Number 8, feeling unhappy or unfulfilled. If you find yourself consistently unhappy or unfulfilled in the relationship, it's essential to explore the reasons behind these feelings. If no matter what you do, no matter how you try to work out things, you still find yourself unhappy, ignoring your own happiness can lead to long-term resentment. Number 9, lack of effort or communication. A successful relationship requires effort and open communication from both partners. If one or both partners consistently neglect these aspects, it can lead to a breakdown of trust and connection, because lack of open and effective communication can lead to unresolved issues and emotional detachment in any relationship. So communication is always the key. Through communication, you can let your partner know what is bothering you, because none of you would know what is bothering each other unless you communicate, you verbalize. And so always respect the art of communication. Number 10, control and manipulation. Possessiveness, jealousy, and controlling behavior are warning signs of an unhealthy relationship. Actually, possessiveness, jealousy, and controlling behavior are red flags of a relationship. If your partner restricts your interactions with friends or family, forcing you to behave a certain way or manipulated into decisions, it indicates an unhealthy level of control. Remember that every relationship is unique, and while these signs can be indicators of problem, they don't necessarily mean that the relationship is irreparable. In some cases, seeking professional help, such as couples counseling, might provide an opportunity to address the issues and work towards a healthier relationship. Always prioritize your well-being and seek support from friends and family or a therapist during difficult times. We thank you for watching this program, and I hope you learned something from it. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.